Hello, I'm Alan J and welcome to the GCSE Maths Tutor channel. So let's get started. This is the first of an initial set of 7 videos on surds, and today we'll be trying to identify just what a surd is. Well, to understand this, we first need to know what the root of a number is. The root of a number, or to give it its full name, the nth root of a number, is a number when multiplied by itself n times will give the original number. So the square root of a number, where n is equal to 2, is a number when multiplied by itself twice will give the original number. So the square root of 5 times the square root of 5 gives 5. The square root of 7 times the square root of 7 gives 7. The square root of 101 times the square root of 101 gives 101. In each case, n equals 2. The square root should be signified by a small 2 inside the tick of the root sign, but this is often omitted. So to summarize, the square root of x times the square root of x gives x. Now the cube root of a number, where n is equal to 3, is a number when multiplied by itself 3 times gives the original number. So the cube root of 4 times the cube root of 4 times the cube root of 4 equals 4. The cube root of 5 times the cube root of 5 times the cube root of 5 gives 5. The cube root of 17 times the cube root of 17 times the cube root of 17 gives 17. In each case, n equals 3, signified by the 3 inside the tick of the root sign. So to summarize, the cube root of x times the cube root of x times the cube root of x gives x, and so on. And now finally to our definition of a surd. Well, strangely, we define a surd by what it doesn't do. A surd is the root of a whole number that doesn't return a whole number. So the square root of 9, the square root of 25, and the cube root of 8 are not surds. Each returns a whole number. The square root of 9 equals 3, the square root of 25 equals 5, and the cube root of 8 is 2. Now a surd is what is called an irrational number. Simply put, the number cannot be written as a simple fraction, but any rational number can be written this way. Look at these examples. 18 equals 18 divided by 1, 1.2 equals 6 divided by 5, 3.7 equals 37 divided by 10, 9.2 equals 46 divided by 5. And another thing, surds end in decimals that seem to go on forever. For example, root 2 is 1.414213,562, etc. Root 3 is 1.732050808, etc. But you don't have to be a surd to be an irrational number. There are lots of famous irrational numbers, some you might have heard of, some maybe not. There is pi. Remember, the ratio of the circumference of a circle to its diameter. Pi is equal to 3.141592,654, etc. Another one is E, or Euler's number. Euler's number is 2.7182818284590, etc. If you go on to do A-level maths, you'll meet this fairly often. Another one is phi, or the golden ratio. This is 1.61803398887, etc. You find phi a lot in nature. To a good approximation, phi is the ratio of your forearm to your upper arm, and other pairs of jointed limbs. So let's wind this up with a quick summary of what we've covered. The square root of a number is a number when multiplied by itself twice will give the original number. The cube root of a number is a number when multiplied by itself 3 times gives the original number. A surd is the root of a whole number that doesn't return a whole number. Surds are irrational numbers and therefore cannot be written as simple fractions. Surds end in decimals that seem to go on forever. Alas, this video is not going on forever. I do hope that this first lesson on Surds has been of help to you, and if you enjoyed the video, I'd really appreciate you giving the channel a like, favourite or a subscribe. Anyway, do look out for the next in the series. Lesson 2 is about simplifying Surds. And don't forget, any comments on the show, suggestions to make it better, or ideas for new videos are always welcome. Thank you all for watching.